What's of Theta Network holder? Today is going to very special for Theta holder. This video has gone for Theta holder, and good news for Theta holders. You know, one big question people asking me, Theta holders, especially Theta holder asking me to why Theta has gone down and those days. So I explained that all reason, and this is live price prediction of Theta. So before I get start this brand video, I request you to please click on the subscribe button. Subscribe is very important. If you get subscribe ABS Tech channel, then I inform you good news or bad news of all cryptocurrency. So this is very good for you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Hope you subscribe ABS Tech channel. So let's get started, guys. First of all, I'm gonna show you the last 1 hour result. This time you can see here the price is absolutely gone up like a rocket. This is 12.54 US dollar at the latest price of Theta Network. So you can see here the last 1 hour change is 1.05% gone up. So this is absolutely good change. So this is absolutely good change. Okay guys, so first of all, let's check out the last 1 day result. And those days, you know why this, and the all cryptocurrency as goes down. This is one reason to the this is the start of month. Therefore all cryptocurrency is gone up, but one Theta Network as those days also goes up. So this is absolutely good news for a holder of Theta Network. You know why? This is absolutely amazing cryptocurrencies. Because this cryptocurrency is going up and those days always. So you can see here the graph result. This is a small dump, but again they can starting jumping. So this is absolutely like a rocket jumping. So thanks for watching, guys. Please click the subscribe button. I updating you every good news or bad news, and this is just buying time, not a selling time. Please hold it. All holders question me to this is selling time or buying time. I share my opinion. I cannot order you. Just this is my opinion. I gonna share you. So just this is buying time, not a selling time. I request to just buy, don't sell it. This is just buying time, and share and sell it and to the end of this month. Okay, wait for the end of this month, hold it and sell it for to the end of this month. They can make you a millionaire. They can give you a good profit. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Please click the subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.